In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table in Affinity. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Layout Studio up top, and then in here, of course, you want to have a document, and you want to click on this tool here, which is called the Table tool. So you just want to click on it, and then you want to drag out your table. It's going to tell you the width and the height in millimeters, as well as the amount of rows and the amount of columns. So as you can see, if I'm expanding this, everything is going to expand. I'm just going to drag one over here like this. Let's say that's going to be fine, and it's automatically going to create one. Then if you want to customize anything regarding this table, you can just see up top, you can basically select your font family. You could go ahead and select how you want the font to look like. You could select the size of your font. You could also go ahead and change case, so from uppercase to lowercase. You could make it bold, italic, underline, strike out, etc. So there's a bunch of things. You could also change colors. So in here, you could go ahead and of course change the colors of text. You could go ahead and use a highlight color. So if you want to highlight something, you are free to do that as well inside your text here. And then of course you have different things as well regarding spacing, and then how it's going to look like, how it's going to align, stuff like that. And then here you'll also be able to basically set the table. So whenever you have it selected, you'll be able to see this table button up top. And in here you can select the fill colors. You can go ahead and select the strokes, the basically insets, stroke and fill, etc. You can pretty much set whatever, and you can also set the table format in case you have multiple over here, together with a specific style in case you want that. So that's pretty much how you create a table. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.